Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. This video is part of a sequential playlist of 10 videos where you can teach your young children, as early as 2 or 3 years old, how to count to 20. There's all kinds of different ways to do it. So this is an instruction video for you as a parent and fun ways that you can, throughout the day, work with your child and teach them how to count to 20. They do not have to be shown in any order. Some of them are skip counting, some are counting backwards, some of them are writing. You can also, one video is about different interactive games. They all can be played in any order. To access the full playlist, there's a link above. You can click that, you can see all 10 videos, or you can wait till the end of the video and it will be on the end screen there as well. Let's get started. I know I talked about some activities in the beginning where you keep counting your toes and your fingers and things like that, but I don't want you to stop doing that. Even after you master 20, then start doing that with more to count to 100. Definitely a key point in counting. If they can get to 100 and then start understanding counting over 100, then you've pretty much got that basic foundational counting skill intact. Don't forget to go forward and backward and just keep doing it. You can count the fruit, you can count the grapes. How many do we have here? And again, if your child's really progressing very quickly with this understanding of numbers, start saying, well, we have 10. What if I take 2 away? Can you count them again? So keep making it challenging and just go naturally with it. Don't worry about your child mastering how to count to 20 by a certain age. It happens when they're ready for it to happen. And a lot of times it happens faster because you've presented the correct activities to help your child learn. But I just wanted to reinforce that. Make sure you keep adding that counting and the hands-on activities.